Okay, so I have essentially completed the outlining. I did go ahead and outline, even though I said I was not going to, a little bit of the background, so it starts to come out a little bit, added a little bit of dimension, but haven't done a whole lot. I want to move on to hatching so I can show what hatching looks like. It's just a process of um, giving shape to a few areas so they start to look like their shape. So I'll use this whistle. So this whistle is, or this top part of this engine, call it a whistle, is actually cylindrical. So I'm going to do a few of these hatch marks. Same thing with this. In the direction of the thing, same thing. Like, so for example, here on this engine, not too much and not like precisely with any sort of a precision, a little bit more random. In the direction of the shape, like this. Starts to give things a little bit more life. Just don't want to overdo it. Yeah, this is a cylinder. This is a nice area to do it. Again, gives a little bit of character, maybe that's a better way to define it. Things start to look a little bit more refined. The magic of hatching.